Yes guys, what is happening? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today it's been a long time coming. I'm so sorry about this, but we are actually taking the DC5 for a drive. I've owed you this for so long. This has been like a 3, 4, 5 month video. I just haven't been there. I do apologise, but we're here, we're doing a video. Hopefully you can hear me. It's very windy, very busy. So I've just parked up in a little spot, and I'm just going to try and take you for a little drive. So yeah, without further ado, 430 brake, K20 turbo, DC5, let's go. Yes guys, let's go for a cheeky drive. So I've owed you this for so long, man. I honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I'm so sorry this is even gone like this. But yeah, I do apologise, but yeah, it's over now. Let's go take you for a drive. And this is like not a first drive, but it is for you lot, because obviously I've been driving it for months and months and months. So just take you around some nice quiet roads and just go for a little spin. So as you know, it started off as a K20 NA. It was mapped for track, 3.5 degrees camber, and yeah, I had it for a few months, and I always said if we go K20 we're gonna throw a turbo in it. So this is literally us. So let's just say the reason why there hasn't been no content is because I feel like I've hit a wall with this car. You could keep spending and spending and spending and spending, and for me personally, all I wanted was to turbo it, and that's it really. People are going, oh, why don't you go 600-700 brake, why don't you go 4-wheel drive conversion? Because I just don't see the point. I had a plan, I had a dream kind of thing, and I've done it. So some of you may be shocked by this, some of you may have already saw it already. I did put it up for sale to try and see if we could sell it and get on to the next project. The thing that I find is I get too attached to what I do, and because I don't sell it or don't get rid of it, it causes longevity where you lot don't have any content for months. And because I was like, oh, let's sell the car, I just haven't done anything to it. There was stuff I wanted to do, but the amount of money it's going to cost for the video and all that kind of stuff, it hasn't done anything. I've literally, I haven't done many miles in this at all. As you know, after we fitted the turbo kit, got it mapped, the clutch failed for some reason. So obviously the previous videos, new master, new slave, new clutch line, new fluid, none of that seemed to work. So I had to put a new clutch in it. So that was, I think it was the release bearing that failed. But she drives nice now. That new, I think it's an EM2 clutch pedal, apparently removes the booster. This does feel a lot better. Like I did notice initially, to drive it is so much better. But yeah, so this is where we are now. I love the car obviously, but for content's sake and the fact of money, it does need to go to fund the next project. So yeah, this is where we are, unfortunately. But if I had £1 million in the bank, there's no way I'd be selling this car. But the way it is, I can't have it sitting on the drive doing nothing. So if anyone is interested, drop me a message. I did initially have it up for 18 grand. I've had absolutely nothing, no bites whatsoever. Even though I thought I built a good car here, I've used the best possible bits I could do. I know the car's mint. If it's needed anything, it gets replaced. But yeah, I've had literally nothing. So I think I'm going to list it properly on eBay or Auto Trader for like 17 grand. So if anyone's interested before I put it on there, please drop me a message. Obviously this isn't about trying to sell a car, this is taking you on a drive. So yeah, we're gonna to go for a little cheeky drive. So initially when you're driving it, one thing I probably would do now, if I could do it over again, I wouldn't have the screamer out the bonnet. I feel like it's so obnoxious. Oh, don't get me wrong, it's nice when it's flaming at night, but when you see like police cars and stuff, it's just an excuse to pull you over because of how like savage it is. But driving normally, you really wouldn't know it's turbo. I have got a low and high boost on, but now that I've done it, I probably wouldn't have bothered with a high and low boost, because the whole point is drama and having fun. And this is what it's all about. It's about, I can't understand, I can't explain it. If you've been in a K20 turbo, you'll know the drama, the scattiness, how it makes you feel when you drive it. Like, this car scares me, so I don't know why people go 500, 600, 700 brake, because it must be ridiculous. Like, this lights up the tyres a bit, but then at the same time it'll pull me all over the road, so I kind of don't know what it's going to do. Sometimes it'll spin in a straight line, and then other times it'll try and throw me into a bush. Yeah, 3000 RPM is normally where the turbo kind of kicks in. So now we're at 4000 RPM. Like, every time I accelerate, it makes my heart go crazy. Wow, this is a big, is this a flood or what? Please don't be deep, please don't be deep. Man, it is sick, man. Fucking hell. Mate. Honestly, fucking hell. Oi, honestly, this thing is a joke. Oh, come on, tighten this up, tighten this up. Am I loosening it? Like, we have got new track rod ends, new drop links, new ball joints to fit, because these are renowned for like pulling you everywhere. And yes, it pulls you everywhere. The weird thing is, my mate's got an FN2 supercharged that's around 360 brake, and his car is so drivable. The power's linear. It doesn't pull you over the road. He has got an M factory LSD, so that might be the difference. But this just scares me. Not only is it fast, like, I know it's 430 brake, and this is what gets me. People go, oh, I'm going to send it to the moon. It's like, you don't need to. I don't know why anyone would want 1000 brake horsepower. Like, it is absolutely mental. I think this is like the max. I weren't chasing figures. I just said 430 brake, keep it safe. I want it nice, drivable. I want it to excite me, and this is exactly what it did. And this is why I mentioned selling it, because the only time I can enjoy this is when I'm giving it death, and for content reasons it's not beneficial just to keep the car for that reason. But wow, man, it is, honestly, it gets my heart going. I'm like holding on for dear life. It is absolutely mental. I know there's dog walkers, but geez, they're taking up the whole of the road. That is crazy. Like, I'm on this road now and it's straight. I guarantee if I do a 2-gear pull, I'll be on the other side of the road, because it swerves, and honestly, it's absolutely mental. Unless you drove one, or unless the ball joints are haggard on this. This thing is absolutely mental. Like, I didn't think it would be this bad, if that makes sense. But you have to hold on with both hands and like proper grip the car. It is mental. absolutely bonkers. I hope you can see it in the steering. Oh my god! And this is what it's about. It is finding a B road, finding a nice stretch of road, and stretching its legs. Like I don't think it's made for a track day. I don't think. Well, saying that, I don't know what a track day would be like. It's a nice flat road. It shouldn't pull as much anywhere, but it scares me. It gets me going. I feel like the car shuffles about. Like sometimes it pulls, and then sometimes if you let off the accelerator because you've lost your arsehole, the car will. You feel like the suspension and everything will just shuffle over to the side. It is absolutely mental. You have to stare at the road. You have to hold on with both hands. Like it makes me think, do I want to hold on to the steering wheel and keep me straight, or do I want to change gear? Like that's the kind of that's the kind of level you're on. Honestly, it is absolutely mad. I'm so sorry it took so long to come out. A lot of people were going, oh, the car's a bag of shit, because they thought, oh, I've turboed it and I'm trying to sell it straight away and there's a problem with it. But if you know me for a while, or you know me personally, if I had a car with a problem, I would not try and sell it on. I would try and fix the problem. This is the whole point of the YouTube channel, because what you see is what you get. So yeah, as I said, steering pulling itself all over the place. I have got new drop links, new track rod ends, new ball joints. They will be fitted, so I don't mind saying problems because they will get fixed. But yeah, the only problem is the roof and the bonnet. I've got like lacquer peel, so it's like you know, the older cars when the lacquer seems to like chip away, kind of thing. That is the only real issue this car's got to drive. If you want a car that scares you, excites you, like you get, like I drove my brother's 500 brake Cupra. Like, don't get me wrong, it's fast, but it's like a point and squirt car. It's not pulling you over the road. It's literally just hold the steering wheel. It can probably hold it one-handed and just boot it. Look, it's an extremely good car, but the fact of this is why I wanted an older car, because I wanted the excitement that it would give me, which is what this does. Oh, there's a new M4 in front of me. I wonder if he'll want the smoke. Oh, there's a car in front smoking. Literally, do you want the smoke? And then poof. Yeah, I owe you guys a drive. I've built this car, spent months on it, spent thousands on it, and I didn't even give you a driving video. Like, how shit am I? But what are we doing? Has it broke down? Oh, it smells like bubble, so I reckon the car's broke down. No? Oh, it's just traffic. But as you can see from, I'm not over exaggerating, this car, whoo, like if you're not watching what you're doing, this car will kill you, like hands down. It is scary. Oh, BM's going the wrong way, man. I'll give it as well. So we're coming coming to a 70 section here. Fucking hell. See, it pulled me over the road, and then because the road's not flat, as I tried to come into the other lane, it went, get back in there. Oh my God. That is absolutely ridiculous. Honestly, whoever comes out in this car to buy it, hands down, that after a run in this, there's no reason why anyone wouldn't part ways. If you want one of these cars, you know, you should know what you're getting yourself into, because it is, honestly, this is what I mean. I get into it, I drive it, and it excites me. It's absolutely bonkers, man. That's tight, man. So I hope you enjoyed that as much as me. Just a quick little, told you, take it round and give it a little tear, just to show you that one, it's not shit, and two, it actually works. Because some of you were saying, does it even work? We haven't saw it driving. So yeah, there you go, she does drive. I did have a GoPro charged like a few days ago, and I tried to use it earlier and it was dead, so I think the battery's actually cooked on it, so this is why we're only using the one camera. But yeah, I've absolutely loved this build. I've loved working on it. If money wasn't an issue, I'd keep it, honestly. This would be like my little Jap. You know, if I'm feeling sad, feeling down, I'd take this out and it'd cheer me right up. But content is king, and you know that. You know, when this turbo build was happening and it was bang, 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 videos, I want to be back to that. I lost that when this was done, because I felt like, what next? What is next? I felt like I kind of wanted to enjoy it, and then at the same time I was like, it offers me nothing. So yeah, there's a little drive on it. Obviously I was looking at next cars, trying to finance cars while I've got this, and there's no point financing another car whilst I've got this sitting there, because it's just money sitting on the drive that I probably won't use that much. So if anyone is interested, please drop me a message on Instagram and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, this wasn't a video just to sell it, this was just to show you that it actually works and all that. But yeah, I want something new. I want to work on something new. I loved it when my brain was ticking and we had parts coming, and it excited me. And I feel like for me the build was better than the drive, if that makes sense. Like, it's hard to explain, but I'd rather do a turbo build again than just take cars for a rip. Like, I enjoy building them more than I enjoy driving them, I think. So yeah, I just want to say thank you all for watching, thank you all for supporting, and yeah, I'll keep you updated on what happens next. But in my eyes, I feel like this car's got to go to continue, otherwise, unless you can think of anything else we could do. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.